Today we're going to be making this Brontosaurus cupcake. This is the mini size of the cupcake wrap, and then there is also a standard size. That's what we're going to be putting together in this video. And then there's also a jumbo size. And all of these are included in the file. You want to make sure that you have the right size for your cupcakes. I would cut one to test first before you cut them all out, and just make sure the sizing is right. It may need to be adjusted from the template just a little bit as well, depending on the pan and the cupcake wrappers that you use. There are standard sizes, but they can vary just a little bit. So make sure the sizing is correct before you cut out all your pieces. The pieces that you should have for each cupcake wrap, you should have 2 body pieces that look like this, and you should have 4 leg pieces, 2 front legs and 2 back legs. We're going to start with our body pieces. I'm going to make sure that they are the opposite of each other like this, so they're mirrored. And we're going to fold. There are 2 little notches on each by the neck and by the tail, and we're going to use these as fold lines. So we're going to go ahead and fold this piece this way, and the tail as well. And then with the part in the middle here, we're just going to kind of gently curl it kind of around the ball of your finger. Just kind of curl it around. And you can see you're getting one side of the cupcake holder. And then we're going to do the same with this side. Now we want to look at how those are going to line up, and we want to make sure we're folding this in the opposite direction. Just like that. Again, this one, we're going to fold. And then with the part in the middle, just gently curl it. You're not bending it, you're just curling it. And you can see that once we glue the tails and the heads together, we're going to end up with our cupcake holder that looks just like that. So I'm going to start by adding some glue here. I am just using hot glue. I find that the easiest and the quickest to work with. You want to make sure you have plenty of glue right here where it goes together so that it holds the cupcake in. And you just want to line it up and then press those layers together. And you can see on the inside it's glued together right there. So that just stays nicely just like that. Then we're going to do the same with the tail. So I'm going to put glue on one side, and then we're just going to press those layers together. Just like that. And now we're going to add the little legs. These are back legs, and this is the toe, this is the heel. This one's going to go on right about there, and then the other one is going to go on the other side right about there. These are the front legs. They bend with the bend kind of so that like this is like the back of the elbow kind of pointing backwards. And those are just going to go kind of right here. So there's not an exact spot for these, you just want them to look good. On these front legs, I put just a dab of glue at the top, line it up with the ground, and I put it right about there. So if you're looking at it from the side, it's right about there. And then I just pull it out just gentle a little bit so it kind of sticks out from his body. And then I like to do the same with the same foot on the other side. Again, just a tiny bit of glue right at the top. Line it up, keeping that foot flush with the bottom. Glue that on. And then do the same with those back feet. back legs. These I put a little glue kind of towards the front part of the leg, so then I can just kind of glue the one side so they don't totally curl with the body of the dinosaur. And then on this side, just a little glue. Line it up and stick it on. And you're ready now to make some cupcakes and put them in and have a fun dinosaur party.